Hi, I'm Amber from WTI, and if you have not used a reusable pet hair remover like this one, you need this in your life if you have pets. I love wearing comfy materials. I cannot stand wearing anything scratchy. I can't stand wearing anything that's not breathable. So all my stuff attracts hair, and I have a golden retriever husky, so I have a lot of hair to deal with on a daily basis. So before I wear an outfit, I will roll this over it. I'll lay it nice and flat and I'll roll it over it just to make sure that I get all the hair off. I'll use this on my couch before I vacuum just to make sure I get the majority of the hair off, and then I'll go in with my vacuum after. But sometimes this just does such a great job, I don't even need to go in with my vacuum. It's super easy to use and it's eco-friendly, so I'm saving the planet by not having all those reusable sticky paper sheets. I found that I was using a lot of lint rollers and they were actually destroying my clothes. They were making them the fabrics not look as nice. So this has been saving my clothes. So as you're using this, you're gonna wanna move it back and forth. What's really cool about that is when it goes back and forth, it actually cleans it when it goes back and forth, because then it puts all the hair back here. So all you have to do to release all that hair is just press this button, it will open up and you can clean it. After you're done using it, you just wipe it off with a damp rag to keep it nice and clean and ready to go for the next use. So I'll also use this in my car just to make sure I get all the little dog hairs out of the seats. So if you're a pet owner and you don't have one of these in your life already, I'm telling you, you need this product. And that is my point of view.